I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable biometric login on your Degiro account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Degiro app. Launch the Degiro app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile section of the app. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security Settings. This is where you can manage your login preferences. Step 4. Enable Biometric Login. Find the option for Biometric Login and toggle it on. This will allow you to use your fingerprint or facial recognition for quick access. Step 5. Confirm your choice. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Remember, if you don't see the biometric option, make sure your device supports it and that you've set up your fingerprint or facial recognition in your device's settings. Hope this helps you access your Degiro account more easily.